Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install Anaconda 2021.05 on Ubuntu 21.04. Anaconda is a software distribution for Python and R programming languages that simplifies the process of package management and application deployment, as well as is the most effective tool for processing large amounts of data. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. Next, I'm going to change the directory. Next, I'm going to download the installation script file by using following command. Next, install the download package by using following command. Press enter to start the installation. Next, type yes to accept the license terms. Again, press enter to confirm the installation location. Next, after installing, type yes to initialize the application. Next, complete the installation by executing the following command. Next, verify the installation by using following command. Next, create an environment in the name of my-env by using following command. Next, activate that environment by using following command. By this, the process of installing Anaconda 2021.05 on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.